Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify. First, you'll want to choose a memorable store name and secure your domain. Next, select a visually appealing theme that aligns with your brand. Then, add your initial products, ensuring each has excellent images and detailed descriptions. Finally, configure your payment settings to accept various methods, making it easy for customers to complete their purchases. This foundational setup is crucial for a successful launch. To truly elevate your Shopify store, focus on optimization. Begin by optimizing your product pages with strong keywords to improve search engine visibility. Incorporate high-quality images and even short videos to showcase your products effectively. Provide clear shipping options and a transparent return policy to build customer trust. Don't forget to explore the Shopify App Store. There are thousands of apps to extend your store's capabilities, from marketing to inventory management. Driving sales is essential for growth. Start by building an email list and sending out engaging newsletters or promotional offers. Utilize popular social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your products and connect with your audience. Consider running targeted advertising campaigns to reach potential customers who are most likely to convert. Offering special discounts or limited-time promotions can also significantly boost your sales figures and attract new buyers. For advanced users, Shopify offers powerful tools. Regularly review your store's analytics to understand sales trends and customer purchasing habits. Automate routine marketing tasks, such as abandoned cart reminders, to recover potential sales effortlessly. Integrate with specialized third-party tools for more complex inventory management or dropshipping needs. Finally, explore international selling features to expand your customer base globally, reaching millions more potential buyers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.